there, thanks for joining me today. I'm Olivia, and today we're going to be doing my May, gosh, it's already almost the end of May. That's ridiculous. Really need to have a better sense of time management. Anyway, today we're going to be doing my May Ipsy unbagging. So I'm super excited about this. I got it maybe a week or two ago, but it's just been busy, so I haven't had a chance to open it yet. Second things first though, I wanted to let you know, I did pick up the Milani Soft Focus Glow. I've been wanting to try this for a while, and I really went back and forth on it. Because first I definitely wanted to get it, and then I saw some reviews, and some people were like, maybe not. So I thought, oh, I probably won't get it. But then it was on sale at Fred Meyer, and I still really wanted to try it, so I did end up buying it. Anyway, I actually really like it. I'm trying it out for the first time today, and it's not like it does a ton. I mean, it's, you know, a very soft effect, as indicated by the name Soft Focus, but I like it. I think it's fun. And then first thing second, I wanted to tell you the eye look that I have today, which I'm quite happy how it turned out. This one is based off the card that This one is based off the card that I got in last month's Ipsy bag, so it was a very kind of springy, citrus, fruit theme, whatever, and so that's what I did for my eyes today. So I already filmed the video for that. I'll have it linked if you wanted to check that out. And then third things third, let's go ahead and get into the bag. So, I had seen some pictures of what the bag looked like already, and I think it's pretty cute. It's this really pretty, like, glittery kind of, it's like a rougher glitter, so it doesn't have like a coating on it, so I'm 100% gonna get glitter like everywhere, I'm sure, but I think it's really cute. It's got kind of like a faux leather tassel that's cute, and I always kind of prefer the ones where it's like a little bit, a little cleaner, a little simpler, you know. As much as I love last month's lemons, those were adorable. I just kind of like the streamlined look of this one, but anyway, let's see what we've got here. So it looks like the theme this month is more glitter? Daydreams, I think? It's a little unclear. It's like kind of a shimmery pink swatch of something. It says something about being barefoot. Gross. Caution to the wind. Every month I like to do a look based off of the card for that month, so I'll definitely do something like that for this one, so definitely stay tuned for that. As far as the items that are inside though, let's see here. So the first thing here is an eggplant clearing cleansing foam. It's from the brand Papa Recipe. I don't think I've ever heard of this before. So it says that this one offers a pleasant cleansing experience, results with rich effervescent lather, giving a sleek and supple feeling to your skin. So that sounds like it. That sounds good, I guess. I'm always happy to try new cleansers. I need to clean my face, so that's a good thing. Then next, let's see here. Okay, so this is something from Bare Minerals. So it's the Set, Hydrate, and Glow Dew Mist. It's kind of exciting. This is like a tiny bottle. Oh my gosh. If that isn't just one of the cutest little things you've ever seen. Love it. I actually really like getting mini setting sprays like this because I just like to refill them, and then if I either take it with me like when I travel, or sometimes I like to keep a little spritzer like this in my purse. So I actually love having like tiny spray bottles, even smaller than like the 1 ounce like refillable ones that you can buy. So I'm excited about this. I love setting sprays. So it says that this one's supposed to have like a glow, it's supposed to be hydrating, so I'm excited to try that. I'm almost done with another setting spray, so that's pretty good timing on that one. Okay, so we got an eyeliner here. So this is by Pixie. It's a really pretty, like, kind of a taupey color, which I love. That's one of my, well, I mean, it's one of my favorite colors to wear. I'm kind of curious about how this will look on the eyes, just because usually I go for something either very bright or like a, you know, dark liner, either black or brown, something to, ooh, very creamy. That is a really pretty shade. I mean, it's a little light than I would probably pick out for myself for a liner, but that is pretty. So I definitely will use that. Definitely on the lower lash line. I might even kind of smudge that out all over the lid. I think that that would be pretty. It seems to kind of set relatively quickly, but I think if you were to smudge it right away, probably would make something happen. It matches very well with this bag, so that's not important. So I'm excited about that. And then let's see here. So this is a little eyeshadow quad, also tiny and adorable. Well, those are nice. Okay, so we've got a little eyeshadow quad here. It's got just like some nice neutrals. So we've got like a matte kind of mid-tone brown, and then we've got 3 different shimmers here. So one of them kind of a bronzy copper, got another one that's like a true kind of a copper, and then we've got one that's kind of a pinky taupey champagne. So that actually looks really nice with that eyeliner. I think that all those colors work pretty well together. So, and they seem like reasonably pigmented just watching them on my hand here. So I'm excited to play more with those. See here, I was doing so well having actual makeup wipes for a while, and now, what can I say? We're back to the Post-it. And then there's one more thing in here. We have the Gold Faden MD. It's a, oh, okay, so it's a moisturizer. So it says it's a Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. It has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, gooseberry, so that sounds pretty good for me. I mean, I love getting little samples of moisturizers in here, and especially if it's supposed to like even your skin tone. I don't know if it helps fade like scarring. That would be pretty sweet. I don't have as many breakouts now as I used to, but I definitely have some scarring from it still, so that's pretty exciting. So I think overall I'm actually feeling really good about this bag. I'm definitely super pumped about the setting spray. Like I said, I love setting sprays. I'm almost out of one, so I feel like it's a good time to get another little one. This color is beautiful, and even though it's not as dark as I would probably pick out for myself, it's so pretty that I can't wait to play with it. I think that's going to be really fun. The colors in here are nice. I mean, I can always rock neutral looks, so that's good. I like how small it is, and that'd be something that's kind of nice for travel. And then just a couple of face things. So we've got a cleanser and a moisturizer. Both of these I'll definitely use. I love trying out things like this, so I'm really happy with this overall. But that's everything today, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned if you'd like to see updates with how these products work for me. I'll definitely be doing looks using the products, and then of course at the end of the month, or not the end of the month, next month. It's already almost next month. I'll be doing a makeup look based off the card in here. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Like I said, you can check out the eye look that I did from last month's card, which I'm wearing right now. If you like, it'll be up in the cards. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope we see you again soon. Bye.